How to make a business card in Microsoft Outlook 2019, 2016, and 2013. Go to Microsoft Outlook. Start MS Outlook desktop-based email client and choose New Items option. After that, choose the Contact option from the drop-down menu as shown in the respective video. Thereafter, you need to fill your Outlook contact card information in the specific fields, that is full name, company, job title, file as, email address, display as, web page address, IM address, phone numbers, addresses, etc. It is time to edit business card information in Outlook. This is the default view of the Outlook business card template. From here, you can set layout in different styles like image left, image right, image top, image bottom, text only, and background image. MS Outlook contact card image and image area % can be easily changed as shown in the respective video. It's time to set up image align as per the choice. Now you can add or remove the fields information of Outlook personal business card. New business card information setup has been completed. Hit on the OK button. See your Outlook business card template information. Now click on the Save and Close information. Thereafter, your Outlook business card information will be saved in the Outlook profile. In this way, anyone can easily create electronic business card in Outlook. Run your MS Outlook program and choose a new email option as you can see in the given video. Enter Outlook email details in blank fields like to, CC, subject, email text, etc. After that, choose Attach Items Business Card Other Business Cards option. Choose your Outlook business card template and press the OK button to continue. In this way, you can attach business card in Outlook email. At last, press the Send button to share Outlook business card via email message.